guys, so today I'm gonna make bracelet for my BFF at school. Okay. I make the beads here. I put them here. And I don't know. We're gonna tally. We're gonna, I don't know. Okay, I don't know how to do it. Wait, I don't know what to do. This time. I need to hurry up or put it in. Put it in. Put it in. I think we have the same. Oh no. Okay. This means I will be here in if I tap I done with game. Pass mo yan ha. Okay, I'm back. I put 4 and the next is blue. I know it's a lot. Oh. Thank you, mommy. Okay. 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 I make bracelet for my BFF because it's almost her birthday. I give her bracelet. Her name is Missy. Missy. Yes. Wait a second. I will hurry up. Hurry up. Oh. Okay, I need 2 more. It's so hard to see it the whole sometime. Okay, we need 1 more left. 1 more bead left. Okay. Guys, did you know I'm in 2nd grade? I don't know. It doesn't even look like I'm in 2nd grade. I put this here. Over here. Ah, my birds are loud. Loud. Okay, time for pink. Pink. Pinky. Ay, pinky. Pinkie Pie. My little pony. Okay. Okay, this is gonna take a while. Not a while. Yesterday I did on my shoulder. Okay, never mind. Okay, we need 1 more bead. And after it's done, I just need to put it all over again. I don't know, now it's time for white. Yeah, it kind of, what is green doing here? White is kind of like blend here, so I don't know. Wait a second. Okay, put there. There. Hurry up, I need to hurry up. Hurry up. Guys, I will be back later. Okay, I'm back. I done with the pearl and white pearl, I don't know. And let's put this, and that. We need pink again. Wait, oh no, green. Or blue first. Blue. I like blue. Blue. Blue is color of cinnamon. Okay. Okay, time for pinky. I will be back when I'm finished with pink. Oh yeah, I need pearl. Bye-bye. I need to stop. I will come back when I'm done with pink. Okay? Okay. Okay, I'm back. I'm almost done with pink. Yeah, I'm done with pink. I just put pearl. Is this even a pearl? I don't know. This is very important to me because he's my first friend in school. Okay, I put that. Oh, it's a pussy. I'm gonna be back later when it's done. Okay, I'm back with the bracelet. Here it is. Is it cool? It fits well on me. Is this not for me? My mom thinks we have the same arm. Yeah, it kind of fits like that. Okay, we take off. And bye-bye. Please subscribe to my channel. Oh boy.